Welcome guys, welcome to a new vlog. So today I am here at Chilkur Balaji temple, which is located at Chilkur village, which is in Rangareddy district. And this temple is also known as Visa Lord Temple, and Lord Venkateshwar is inside this temple. And it's like the belief is that whenever you have a wish of any visas or any kind of wish related to your traveling to abroad, is actually people come here for the worship. And there are certain rules of this temple that you have to do some pradakshanam, which is taking a circular around of this temple. So first time when you come to this temple, you have to do one pradakshanam, and once your prayer is answered, you can do another 11 pradakshanam, that is after your prayer is answered. So this temple is located just nearby Hyderabad, somewhere around 22 kilometers from the city, and it's in Chilkur village. So first time I came to this temple, and the belief of this temple is that the Lord Venkateshwar is also known as Lord Visa here, and for any visa related beliefs or any abroad related wishes are fulfilled here. So definitely that like any temple, that photography and videography is not allowed, but somehow I'll try to capture few of the snapshot around the temple. It's a large campus area temple where you have a lot of parking space, as well as a lot of other things like small snacks centers and small drink centers are there where you can have a refreshers there. But it's a beautiful temple, especially located around the city, somewhere around 22 kilometers. That took around 1 hour from the city to come here, and a really a peaceful area where you don't have much crowd. But definitely since today is Sunday, so the crowd is there, but still it took around me to take around 30 minutes to take a darshan and do one pradakshanam. So I would say that it's not taking much time, especially on Sunday. And the timing of the temple is like 6 to 1 a.m. in the morning, and then again from 4 to 7 p.m. in evening, where up to 6:30 you can take pradakshanam. So that is allowed up to 6:30 p.m. And since I mentioned that when you are coming for the first time, you have to do only one pradakshanam, and once your wish is fulfilled, you can do the another 11 round of pradakshanam around this temple. So that's how it's written on that. And I was reading about this temple and its history, that how that this temple runs. So even it do not take any money from the devotees. They don't ask for any dakshinas or any money to be given to this temple directly. Although you can, if you really want to do certain kind of contribution, you can do it to the direct bank account, but they don't ask for dakshina. So see, people are doing pradakshanam around the temple. So here few people are coming for the first time, few people are coming after their wishes are fulfilled, and that's how. And inside the line is for the temple where Lord Venkateshwar is there, and you can see the line. It's not too huge, but still it would take around 10 to 15 minutes to just have a darshan. So this is the back door of the temple, and the entry of the temple is from another side. And here people are tying their kalava, which is just for certain beliefs you have or certain kind of faith you have. And it's on people tree. Lot of prasadam temples, prasadam shops are there, so you can have your prasad and all the thing, whatever you want to worship to the god and whatever you want to put it. But let me tell you that they're not accepting everything that you cannot put as a faith even. So there are certain restrictions on that, so you cannot put anything. But I saw that people are taking some flowers and coconut, and that is acceptable. But apart from that, tulsi mala is also something which I saw people are just putting as a faith. But apart from that, any other prasadam is not allowed, and they are not accepting there. But really this is a wonderful experience, guys, especially in Hyderabad. Belief of a different kind of belief where people are coming just for their visa beliefs, and they want to settle abroad and whatever, for any purpose. I mean, whether they want to settle it or whether they want to just go for for a time, or just for a travel visa, they come here for with their wishes and fulfill. And it's really awesome to see that people are coming with their beliefs. And this kind of beliefs first time I saw. And even when I heard and when I read about this temple and the history, I was really shocked about that, how the visa prayers are also getting resolved, and the people have the faith that this kind of beliefs are also there. And I really respect that these beliefs are there, and people are coming here for their beliefs, their faith to the god, and their love and their respect towards the god. So with this, guys, I have already covered almost all the part of the temple, and mostly almost all the stuff which I felt that is important I have covered. And as I mentioned that it is not too far, but if you are coming by your own vehicle, it would take around 45 to 1 hour from Hyderabad. And it's really a beautiful place and beautiful temple to visit, and you must experience this temple even though you have a wish or not. But if you are nearby Hyderabad, you should definitely come. With this, I'm closing my vlog here itself, guys. We'll meet in a new video with a new content. Bye bye for now. Take care. We'll meet in a new video. Just keep liking, keep subscribing, and just watching my videos. Thanks a lot, and take care. Enjoy your life. Bye bye, guys.